Ready, Lenandurum? All right, Devika, your 1 minute starts now.
The entry of foreign universities will definitely benefit the higher education. This paves the way for academic collaboration, which helps the students to get enrolled in newer academic programs like joint degree, dual degree, etc. The introduction of foreign universities will definitely increase the employment opportunities. This also helps to raise the standard of higher education provided in our country. With the introduction of foreign universities, our standard of education will become high, and this too with ensured safety from problems like racism, etc. In the next few years, foreign universities like Harvard, Oxford, etc., if they set up their campuses in India, the aspiring students can accomplish their dream of studying in premier institutes without visa problems, travel expenses, etc. With the setting up of foreign universities, this will attract students from other foreign countries and can contribute to the boosting of Indian economy as well.
Right, Devika, your time has ended. Now, Ashwini, you will get 1 minute and your time starts now.
It is often said that the proliferation of foreign university will lead to the loss of national sovereignty because nations are pressurized to align with the international standard. Foreign universities follows a one-size-fits-all approach, thus dismantling the needs, aspiration, and wants of the local communities. The dominance of Western ideology and the education propagated by the foreign universities erode the indigenous knowledge system and the cultural diversity of a nation or of countries. When we speak of legal rights that are associated with foreign universities, including IPR or intellectual property rights, compliance rights, or contextual rights, this will really affect the foreign institutes if they are established in a country. So, I can definitely say that foreign institutes or foreign universities can be a prestige on a temporary basis, but it will definitely affect the working and the development of local educational institutions.
Yes. So, Ashwini and Devika, you will get 4 minutes and your time starts now.
Who does not know what is happening in the universities of Australia and US, etc. nowadays? We get to know the news of violences and barbaric attacks towards our students by the foreign students. So this will evoke a fear in our students to go abroad for their studies, and it is always nice if the water reaches directly to the quencher in the form of foreign universities.
Ashwini?
I would like to add on a point to it. The influx of foreign universities into a country like India will definitely affect the wealthiest section of a society. As per the record of All India Survey, 7.7% of the Indian population, the student population in India, are deprived of primary and secondary education. As the disparity increases, even in a country like India where we don't have a foreign institute, what will happen if the foreign institute comes to a nation like India? It will really improve the disparity of the rich as well as the poor.
Disparity increases?
Reports state that almost 90,000 to 1 lakh students are migrating from India to the United States only for higher education. When all the countries are considered, this is expected to rise to 8 million by the year 2025. So, if foreign universities set up their campus in India with enough infrastructure, faculties, and facilities, this can prevent the drain of our intellectuals to other countries.
As we have said, the drain of wealth. You know, when students go outside to get the world inside, I am reminded of a quote by Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad. He once famously said that by education, he meant the education of a complete man. And this completeness can only be provided by getting the world insight. And students who are educated in foreign universities in a nation like India will not be benefited by the world insight. And Dr. Philip J. Albert has once famously said, when foreign institutes come to India, it will act as a parasite on the local community. Because the number of universities directly linked to the 0.4% of GDP of a nation, and it will never benefit the rural areas. As a country like India has more rural population. How can a foreign university benefit a country like India which has more rural population?
Devika?
I would like to quote the scenario during the COVID pandemic and the Russia-Ukraine war. If those foreign universities had their campus in India, the huge loss that happened to the students studying abroad could be avoided at that time.
Ashwini?
Now, I would like to give an outline about the main universities that is working around India, the foreign institutes in definite countries around India. In Singapore, there are almost 16 foreign universities, and in Malaysia, there are 15 foreign universities, and in Qatar, there are 11. But none of it stands among the top 500 universities all over the world. This really shows that the quality of education that is provided by foreign universities is much less than the Indian education system.
Yeah, quality is less in, yeah.
If we consider the history of our education system, we can very well see that the introduction and the influence of foreign schooling system has influenced India a lot to develop its education system to where it stands now. So I would like to say that this same will happen in the field of higher education also if foreign universities are introduced in India.
So as I have mentioned, the quality will be increased. I have to mention a very important fact that India is the hub for a lot of courses like humanities, social science, yoga, Ayurveda, etc. And these courses cannot be provided by a foreign university without the assistance of Indian professionals. So I do believe that when foreign universities are set up in a nation like India, it won't provide a lot of courses that will benefit the Indian students in particular.
Devika?
Foreign universities I don't think that foreign universities lag much in the standard. They are
Right, your time has ended. Devika and Ashwini, please shake your hands before you leave the stage. നല്ലൊരു കയ്യടി കൊടുക്കുക.
Federal Bank Speak for India, Kerala Edition Season 8 in association with Madhrbhoomi.